Myrtle Beach, it was cloudy, with a temperature of 82. The forecast for Raleigh and Tornado Watch number 335, effective until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties: Scotland, North Carolina. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, local radio and television outlets, or internet sources of information. The 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time observations. In Florence, it was partly sunny. The temperature was 89 degrees